What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert GGIVES to GCASH Wallet without GPO. So, you might be wondering, can you actually do it? So by the way, just to give you some idea here, GGIVES here is, in this case, a program that GCash here has or offers you to basically pay in this case, in sections. So if you have a full payment here, it basically just divides the payment here into different sections. So basically you're paying less, but still you're paying the full amount still over time. So in this case, can you actually convert your GGIVES here into GCash balance in your account? Well, the direct and simple answer to that is, in order for you to facilitate or make the transaction, GPO is required here. So GPO stands for GCash Padala outlet, which in this case, you need to visit a location that supports that. So in this case, we have our outlet here. You can go and just click on it. And as you can see, it's going to give you options here to basically cash in, cash out, and all those transactions. So typically speaking, in a GPO, you need to provide some form of ID in order for you to convert your GGIVES into GCash. Now, unfortunately, there's no going around this one. It is a requirement here, unless you found something online out there. So some people will actually say or offer you that, hey, we can convert your GGIVES here into your GCash, balance. But then again, sometimes they are scams, or they might even take half of your GCash or GGIVES here and not in this case not send the full amount, which is case not something that you need to take note here. So currently you do need a GPO in order for you to convert your GGIVES here to GCash. But yeah, unfortunately that's it. But so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.